Okay. Happy Easter po sa inyo lahat. Alleluia. Christ is risen. Ano? Talaga? Alam nyo, waking up early on a Sunday morning, mahirap minsan, no? Especially after Holy Week. Parang gusto mo pang humabol ng tulog. Yet today is different. Today is the day. The big one. Ha ha ha. And si Mary Magdalene sa ating gospel today, nako, she was up even earlier, habang madilim pa daw. Wow. Anong oras kaya yun? Maybe 3 a.m.? Parang yung mga nag-aabang ng opening sa mall sale? Hey, but she wasn't looking for a discount, diba? She was looking for the Lord. She gets to the tomb. Tapos, ay, bukas. The stone is rolled away. Naku po. Her first reaction? Panic. Talaga naman? They have taken the Lord out of the tomb, and we do not know where they have laid him. Agad-agad. Assumption na. Negative ka agad. Parang tayo minsan, pag may hindi naasahang nangyari, yung una nating isip, oh no, may problema. Mawalan lang ng signal yung phone, iniisip mo na, nahack ka na o nasira na talaga? So she runs. Takbo! Finds Peter and John. At dahil medyo, alam mo na, mabilis kumalat ang balita. Especially pag medyo alarming, they ran too. Parang Amazing Race lang ang peg. Haha, John, yung disipulong minamahal, maybe because he was younger, o mas mabilis lang talaga tumakbo, he gets there first. Pero nice guy si John, no? He peeks in, sees the linen cloths, pero hinintay niya si Peter. Pakikisama. He lets the boss go in first. Respeto. Ganyan dapat. Peter goes in. He sees the linen cloths lying there. Tapos, eto na, the detail, yung panyo. The napkin that was on Jesus' head. It wasn't just thrown aside with the other cloths. Nakita niyo yung description? It was rolled up neatly, in a place by itself. Now, kung magnanakaw ka, would you take the time to fold the napkin neatly? Parang hindi, no? You grab the valuables, tapos takbo na. Iwan mo yung pala. But this was different. Okay, I'm done using this. Let me just fold it nicely before I go. Heh, sino kaya yun? Then John goes in. He sees the empty tomb, the cloths, the folded napkin. And the gospel says he saw and believed. Ayun na! Click! Nag-sink in na! Hindi na nakaw, hindi nawawala. He rose. Alam nyo, minsan sa buhay natin, we feel like Mary Magdalene running around in the dark. Diba? Confused, worried, maybe even panicking. Hinahanap natin si Lord, especially pag may mabigat na pinagdadaanan. We go to our tombs, the places of our disappointments, our fears, our losses, and sometimes all we see is emptiness. Parang, Lord, nasaan ka na? Bakit parang ang gulo-gulo ng lahat? Yung traffic sa EDSA, yung bayarin sa Meralco, yung mga pasaway sa bahay. Lord, hello? But Easter reminds us, my dear brothers and sisters, that the empty tomb is not a sign of absence, but a sign of victory. It's not about what's missing, it's about what has happened. Jesus isn't there anymore because he is risen. He is alive. And that neatly folded napkin, para sa akin, that's a little sign of hope. A sign of order amidst the chaos. Parang sinasabi ni Jesus, hey, I was here, I conquered this, and I left everything in perfect order. Even death itself, tinalo niya. He didn't just escape the tomb, he defeated what the tomb represents. Peter, in our first reading, nung nagsinki na rin sa kanya lahat, he couldn't stop talking about it. He became a witness. Imagine, from the guy who denied Jesus 3 times, tapos tumakbo lang sa libingan na litong-lito, now he's boldly proclaiming, God raised him on the 3rd day. We ate and drank with him after he rose from the dead. Grabe yung change. That's the power of the resurrection. It transforms us. And St. Paul tells us in the second reading, seek the things that are above. Dahil nga, Christ is risen. Huwag na tayo masyadong ma-stuck sa mga bagay dito sa lupa na parang yun na ang lahat. Our worries, our anxieties, even our successes, they're temporary. Our real life, our true hope, is hidden with Christ in God. Hanapin natin yung mga bagay na panglangit. So today, as we celebrate this incredible feast, let's ask ourselves, where do we see the folded napkins in our own lives? Where are the subtle signs of God's presence, His order, His victory, even when things look empty or confusing? Saan natin nakikita si Jesus na buhay sa ating pamilya, sa ating trabaho? Maybe it's in the kindness of a stranger, sa gitna ng traffic. Maybe it's in the unexpected good news na dumating. Maybe it's simply the strength we find to get up each morning and face the day with hope. Yun yung mga signs na buhay siya, na kasama natin siya. Like John, may we see these signs and believe. Like Peter, may we become witnesses, sharing the good news, not just with words, but with the joy and hope that fills our lives because we know He is not dead. He's risen. Talagang totoo. Have a blessed and joyous Easter, everyone. Mabuhay si Kristo. Alleluia.